Hello viewers, here are 10 of the best anti-inflammatory drinks out there to help you manage your inflammation and feel better. Drink number 10 is green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation. It also contains apigallocatechin gallate, 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐍, a compound that has been shown to inhibit the production of inflammatory cytokines. To get the most benefit, drink green tea regularly or take a green tea supplement. Some people may be sensitive to caffeine, so check with your doctor before adding more caffeine into your diet. Decaffeinated green tea does exist, but it doesn't have as many antioxidants as regular green tea. You should not add milk to decaffeinated green tea because it blocks some of the beneficial properties. Drink number 9 is kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can improve gut health. Kombucha can also help fight inflammation by reducing the levels of inflammatory markers in the body. It is made with black or green tea, sugar, and yeast, and has a slightly sweet flavor. A single cup of kombucha contains about 1/3 of your daily recommended intake for copper, magnesium, and vitamin B6. A typical batch is brewed for 2 weeks or more before it's bottled to keep it from fermenting too quickly and going bad. The drink can be stored at room temperature for up to 6 months after opening. Drink number 8 is turmeric tea. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that has been used in Indian cooking for centuries. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory. A 2007 study found that turmeric was more effective at reducing inflammation than ibuprofen. To make turmeric tea, simmer 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Add honey and lemon to taste. You can also add a pinch of black pepper to increase the absorption of curcumin in turmeric. Black pepper contains an alkaloid called piperine, which enhances the bioavailability of turmeric. Consuming piperine with curcumin greatly increases its ability to enter your system and fight inflammation. Drink number 7 is hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is made from the flower of the hibiscus plant and has a tart, cranberry-like flavor. This herbal tea is naturally caffeine-free and rich in antioxidants, making it a great choice for those looking for an anti-inflammatory drink. Hibiscus tea has been shown to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, as well as improve liver function. To make hibiscus tea, simply put 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus flowers in 8 ounces of boiling water for 5 minutes. Strain out the flowers before drinking, add honey or sugar if desired. But remember that these can also contribute to inflammation. Adding fresh lemon juice to your cup will add zest without adding sugar or additional calories. Drink number 6 is ginger ale. Ginger ale is a carbonated soft drink that is often consumed for its ginger flavor. The drink originated in England and is widely available today. Some research suggests that ginger may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could explain why some people find it helpful for indigestion, nausea, and other stomach issues. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. If you're interested in trying ginger ale for its potential health benefits, look for a brand that contains real ginger root extract and avoid those with high fructose, corn syrup, or artificial sweeteners. Consider adding fresh slices of ginger to your glass before drinking as well. In addition to ginger ale, consider hot water with lemon, fresh squeezed orange juice, apple cider vinegar mixed with honey, preferably raw, lime water with cayenne pepper and lime, green tea, herbal tea, chamomile, peppermint, lavender, homemade soup broth. Drink number 5 is black currant. Black currant has high levels of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. Studies have shown that black currant can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and boost brain function. To make a black currant drink, simply mix 1 cup of black currants with water and honey to taste. You can also add a splash of lemon juice for extra flavor. The benefits of black currants are as follows: improves digestion, reduces risk of stroke, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancerous, strengthens immune system. Black currant is great to use in smoothies, juice, or even tea. This can be made by crushing up 2 teaspoons of black currants with your hands and adding 1 teaspoon of honey. You should try to drink at least 3 servings a day for maximum health benefits. Studies have also shown that an intake of at least 250 milligrams per day of anthocyanins has led to measurable improvements in cardiovascular health in some people, as well as low levels of inflammation throughout their body. They're often added to various juices because they give them a very sweet taste as well as boost their nutritional value. Drink number 4 is lemon water. Start your day with a glass of lemon water. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help fight inflammation. Plus, the water will keep you hydrated throughout the day. Just squeeze fresh lemon juice into a glass of filtered water and enjoy. For those who don't like to drink plain water, try adding a little honey or freshly grated ginger to give it some flavor. You can also add black pepper for an extra boost of antioxidants. As well as helping control blood sugar levels, this mixture has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and lower cholesterol levels. Studies have even found that drinking this drink before meals may lead to significant weight loss. If you're looking for another way to use up leftover citrus fruit, make an easy spritzer by mixing sliced lemons or limes with seltzer water in a glass jar. Make sure not to fill the jar all the way up so there's room for bubbles. When chilled overnight, these drinks make refreshing summer cocktails too. Drink number 3 is honey lemon water. Honey lemon water is a popular home remedy for many ailments, including inflammation. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Honey has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. To make honey lemon water, simply add the juice of 1 lemon and 1 tablespoon of honey to 8 ounces of warm water. Drink this mixture once or twice a day, preferably on an empty stomach. You can also use it as a post-workout drink because it will help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery time. The natural acids found in lemons help balance your pH levels by restoring alkalinity. The high dose of antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, the compounds responsible for most plant pigments, present in lemons will neutralize free radicals and keep your immune system functioning at peak efficiency. Drink number 2 is coconut water, cold brewed. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte, which means it can help you stay hydrated and is also effective in reducing inflammation. It's rich in vitamins and minerals including potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. Coconut water is also a good source of antioxidants. When choosing a coconut water, look for one that is cold brewed and has no added sugar. Keep in mind that drinking too much coconut water can lead to electrolyte imbalance, so limit yourself to 2 servings per day, about 1 cup. You should also avoid coconut water if you're sensitive to tree nuts, even though it does not contain any. Drink number 1 is vegan protein shake. A vegan protein shake is a great way to get the nutrients your body needs without having to eat animal products. Protein shakes can be made with a variety of plant-based proteins, such as pea protein, hemp protein, and brown rice protein. They can also be flavored with fruits, vegetables, and spices to taste. The Vega One all-in-one nutritional shake has plenty of high-quality ingredients, including greens like kale, spinach, chlorella, and spirulina, digestive enzymes, probiotics, antioxidants like vitamin C, omega-3s from flaxseed oil, and B vitamins from whole foods. Vega One tastes delicious too. It's available in 3 flavors: vanilla bean, chocolate, coconut, almond butter, and mocha java latte, and doesn't contain any artificial flavors or sweeteners. If you're looking for a more natural way to reduce inflammation, consider trying one of these 10 anti-inflammatory drinks. We hope you enjoyed learning about 10 anti-inflammatory drinks. We would appreciate it if you could subscribe and share with your family and friends who could benefit from these drinks as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Take good care of your health.